So today we will discuss the inflammation response, but like in my previous video we have discussed about inflammation, but today we'll discuss about the rheumatoid arthritis. Arthritis. Basically, this rheumatoid arthritis is a autoimmune disorder. It is an autoimmune disorder, and basically the reason behind this is still not clear. Like, scientists are not known about the reason behind the cause of rheumatoid arthritis, right? Basically, like in our some books, it is written that auto antibodies are produced, like antibodies are produced, and they basically trigger our, like, they work against, like the auto antibodies work against our IgG antibody, immunoglobulin class G, right? So basically, some auto antibodies are produced which work against the IgG antibody, and the cause, like who produce these autoimmune antibodies or why they are produced, is still not known. Like, we don't know that who produced this autoimmune antibodies and what is the cause of producing this, right? What actually happens. So actually what happens, like in some book it is written, and like as I've told you, that these autoimmune antibodies basically work against our IgG antibody, but in somewhere, like, it is also there is prediction that, for example, consider that this is a pathogen. This is a pathogen and it has always the antibody, right? Basically it has antigen, right? Basically what happens, its antigen matches with our antigen, and for example these are our immune cells. So they are unable to differentiate. These immune cells are basically unable to differentiate between our cells and foreign particles. Why? Because the antigen is same, right? So they produce basically antibody, and they produce antibody against this antigen, and this is a pathogen, and this is, for example, human cell, and this is pathogen cell, and they both have same antigen. So this antibody will attack on both. Pathogen will kill, but it will also kill our immune cell, it will kill our own cell, right? Basically, if the antigen matches and then antibody comes, so the inflammation. So this is how, like, what is inflammation? Inflammation is caused, like, whenever any pathogen enter, or we get any physical injury, or we get any kind of scratch or something. So obviously here our human cells are destroying, so there will be the inflammation. Basically, this rheumatoid arthritis is basically arthritis of synovial. Basically, it is synovial joint inflammation. It is joint inflammation. Basically, it happens in synovial joint. Basically, this is a synovial joint which has basically synovial membrane. This synovial membrane contains synovial fluid, and this synovial fluid have a lot of number of T cells, right? And this T cells basically trigger the cytokines, and this cytokines basically attract the WBCs, right? So basically, synovial joint, it has synovial membrane. Inside the synovial membrane there is synovial fluid, and that inside it there are a lot of many T cells, right? And like these T cells basically trigger the cytokines. Like, what are cytokines? Cytokines are, for example, interferons. They are special proteins, right? and then these cytokines will attract the WBC. So this WBC will basically kill our own cells, and the inflammation is produced. And basically this inflammation can cause to other organisms, like other parts of our body as well. But the real cause behind, like, this cause is not really, we are not sure that this is a real cause, right? So the real cause behind this rheumatoid arthritis is still unknown, right? So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be very glad to answer you guys.